You join us today at the London Classic Car Show as we launch this amazing Aston Martin DB5 restoration project to the market. Now, this car is an original UK right-hand drive example that was originally finished in black pearl with a white gold interior. Now, this car is available only as part of a restoration contract, and as you can see, the very extensive panel work stage of the restoration is now complete, and the car can be built to your exact specification, whether it be a fast road spec with a 4.7 litre engine and Barani wheels, or completely concourse original, as per the car's heritage certificate. Our technicians have completed a variety of restorations on Aston Martin DB models and know the cars inside and out. All of our work is completed in-house at our Bishop Stortford state-of-the-art facility, which was purpose-built for the restoration of classic vehicles. So if you're interested in this car, please speak to a member of our team and we'd be happy to help.